Good morning, student. I'm Deshma, your science teacher. This is our second class. In previous class, we have studied the living and non-living things. In this class, we are going to study the characteristic of living things. Okay. Okay. We are going to study the characteristic of living things. So what we are going to study what living things can do. So living things can move, living things need food, living things grow, living things feel, living things breathe, living things reproduce. We have studied this in former class. So we are going to study in details. Okay. So living things can move. All animals and plants are living things. We know that, including human beings also. Okay. Living things can move on their own. We know that living things can move on their own. We can move our hand, we can move our leg, we can move from one place to another. So we know that living thing can move from one place to another. Why we are moving? Do you know why? Animals move from one place to other in search of food. Why? They are moving from one place to other in search of food. Clear? So what about plants? Plants do not move from place to place. Why? They do not have to look for food. We know that they are preparing their own food. So they do not have to look for food. So they are not moving from one place to other. Clear? Look at that picture. We know we can see a fox, a bird, a plant there. Okay, they are moving. In the case of fox, it is moving because it has to search food. That's why. What about birds? Birds have wings. They can move. So in case of that plant, mimosa plant, we know that when we touch that plant, it shows some movement. Clear? So these all things are moving because they are living things. Next one, living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Why they need food? They need food to grow. Food gives energy to work and move. So what food gives? Food gives energy to work and move. So animal eat plant or flesh of other animals. So you know that we are eating vegetables and non-veg things like that. Animal eat plants or flesh of other animals. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food. They make their own food. In higher classes, we are going to study how they prepare their own food. So, animals can move from one place to other, that we know, but plants prepare their own food. So, living things need food. So, non-living things like stone, this bench, desk, and these things do not need food. We know that. Next one, living things grow. You look at that picture, plants and animal grow with time. A child grow into an adult, a seed grow into a plant. Look at that picture, a baby grow into an adult, a plant grow into a big tree. Clear? So, a chick grow into a hen in that picture. Okay. Like that, living things grow. Clear? Next thing, living things feel. They can feel the changes around them, like hot and cold weather. Most animals feel or sense changes around them with the help of their sense organ. Most animals, okay, like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Like, through this all, they feel the changes around them. In another case, some in plants, the case of plants, they do not feel through the sense organ, but they have some movement also. Okay, when we touch mimosa plant, it show one movement, and some plants grow, most of the plants grow in the direction of sunlight. Plants grow in the direction of sunlight. So this also are movements of plants. Clear? So this class you have to study, write and study the things. Okay. So this is a class. You have to write and study the things I have shown that screen. Okay. We are going to study about the two other characteristics. Living thing can breathe, living thing reproduce. Okay. Next class we are going to discuss about that. Okay.